Hey guys, it's Jay-Z here from Nutrisize, here with Lisa and Ross. We're going to check out Mount Rufus, maybe Mount Hugel. We'll see how we go. 6 to 7 hours return, hopefully. Let's check out the sights. Okay, so nearing the top of Mount Rufus, we can get a good view of lakes and Clair. You've got Pump House Point down there, the visitor centre, the Central Highlands in the distance there. You've got Mount Ida right there, Mount Ida, just under the cloud, and you've got Mount Olympus south and north. Okay, hopefully the cloud clears up and we can get better views. Okay, 2 hours and 40 in, we're nearly at the peak of Mount Rufus. We have to follow along there. But we got Mount Byron, Cuvia Valley, Mount Olympus, Little Hugel's that one in front of us. Mount Ida would be over there. Actually, it's popping its head out there, Mount Ida. You got King David's Peak, Mount Jerusalem, Central Highlands. Across there, we've got Wentworth Hills. You got Mount Hobhouse. You've got the Mount King William Range, Loddon Bluff. Just having a look across. Behind the Mount King William Range, you got Clear Hill, Stepped Hills, towards southwest there. Absolutely magic. Okay, so you got the summit of Mount Rufus over there, panning across. You've got, heading towards the west coast, right in front of us, you'll have Mount Jukes, Mount Huxley, Mount Owen. So you can just see them. Panning across, you got Cedric Bluff, Mount Geikie, Mount Dundas, Eildon Peak will be in cloud in the back there. Right in front of us is Mount Hugel. Good sugar loafing cloud behind it, heading across. You got Dome Hill, High Dome, heading across. You have Mount Cuvier, Mount Manfred, and Max Mountain, horizontal hill in front of it. The Guardians, Mount Byron, right in front of us, Wald Mountain, Mount Pillion West, Mount Ossa and Cloud at the back, and you've got Mount Olympus North and South. And Mount Ida is hiding back there somewhere. Cool. I also can see Western Bluff in the distance as well. The Mountains of Jupiter, and Mount Orphy is right in front of us as well. Wow. Summit of Mount Rufus. Ew. Ew. Summit. Absolute stellar views. 3.5 hours it took us to the top, Mount Rufus, and there is so many ables. I'm not going to bother going through all of them. It's just crazy, you know. Like, really blessed with the weather. The clouds lifted or a little bit higher than the peaks, and we can see a lot. Yeah, enjoy the views, guys, and catch you on the next video.